three takeaways. What are the takeaways I would offer from this experience? The first is I think NASA was right to trust industry. That industry is capable of getting things from the ground to low Earth orbit at this point in a commercial sense, and getting too detailed with requirements and having a lot of oversight is going to raise cost and slow things down. So I think industry can be more efficient, and it's a great use of that. Similar to how NASA doesn't have its own airplanes for flying its employees to Los Angeles. That's outsourced. So I think when you get to a certain level of maturity with the technology, it can be successfully outsourced to commercial industry, and I think that's been proven. The next thing is rockets are hard, and you better have a strong stomach if you're going to start a development project of this size. I think NASA's selection of Kistler was maybe they were too small to overcome some of the challenges they had. I think ultimately they couldn't get the funding that they needed. But trust me, with the AJ-26s, there were certainly a number of problems waiting for them that we inherited. And you need a company, I think, of a certain depth and breadth and financial stability and have some extra cash in the bank to get you through the hard times. If you have a year delay to your first launch, do you have the means to get through that? If you need extra electrical engineers, 5 of them next week, can you grab them and get them applied? That's the kind of thing that I think we were big enough to take on this project and backstop those needs and get us through the tough times to the eventual result. And the third thing I'd say is don't ever give up. You got to be determined. You're going to have problems. Life is going to be difficult. It's like life is hard, life is hard, life is hard. That's what our president J.R. Thompson used to say. Life is hard, and then you're a hero. So it's just that quick. You work hard, you're struggling, you're striving. You get that first launch, it works, and it's a sudden transition. Then you're a hero. So it's a great feeling, and it's worth all the pain and agony that goes into it.